Hello there, I am Tugustu Zaryu. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. I will continue today's lesson, which is grade under grade 12, unit 3. The next command, next to insert command is update command under DML language, under data manipulation language. Under data manipulation language, it's possible to insert values into a table, possible to update already existing values, and it's possible to delete records from the table. Therefore, the DML enables us to do such tasks. The update command does not add new records to a table. Which command helps us to add a new record? The insert command. Therefore, the update command has its own task. Does not add new records to a table. Nor does it remove records. Does not remove records. It simply updates existing records in the table. It simply updates from the existing records from the table, from the particular table. The update command is used to change a value of one or more fields in existing table, row or number of rows. The general syntax of an update command is given below. Here, update, the syntax is update, then the table name. We have to mention the table name. If it is course table, you should say the course. If it is department, department. Set, then set is the command, set, under update command, set, then what's the field name or column 1, which is equal to, and the value. If we have additional fields, they are separated by comma, but mostly we use a single value or a single field that we have to mention the field name is equal to, then the value. Where was the condition? Where is here the syntax? And the command the reference the keyword under the update command. The reference words, the keywords under update command are set where. Was the condition where? We have to plus a specific criteria. For instance, we can mention student ID. Where student ID with this change the or set the field name with this value. This is better to see by an example. If you have such table, the tables are consists of teacher table with teacher first name, teacher middle name, teacher last name, teacher 6, teacher database, just the date of the birth, here the teacher salary, and ID number. If you execute the following update statement, then the teacher with salary less than 10,000 are updated to 15,000, it says. In teacher salary column, see the Mikael salary in the figure here. The Mikael salary is here, 8,000. 8,000, it should be changed into 50,000 because the command is here says if it is condition is teacher salary less than 10,000. It is less than 10,000. Make it or update into 50,000. It says here update was the name of the table teacher. Set then was the value with the field name teacher salary with 15,000. Set, this is the value that should be updated. What reference or criteria that we use when we update or change into teacher salary 50,000, where the teacher salary is less than 10,000. If the teacher salary is less than 10,000, change into 15,000. It says update into 15,000. It's better to see here with the command here. Let me demonstrate you. First, we have to, before updating, we are going to update a table with teacher. Update, it says, that's the name of the table, teacher table. Set, the field name is teacher salary. Make it 2,000, for instance. 20,000. What's the criteria? Well, for female. Teacher 6 for female. Change into 20,000. This is update into 2000. Where for teacher 6 or for those female workers, make it their salary 20,000. How can we do this? First, we should create the table with the teacher. Create table command with teacher. Was the fields? The teacher first name, the data type is text, comma. The teacher middle name, the data type is text, comma. The teacher last name, the data type is text, comma. The teacher sex is character, data type character with the length of 6 characters, 6 letters are possibly inserted into this field, comma. The teacher date of birth with data, data type, date time, comma. The teacher salary with data type